Hello, Paul. All right. Well, I put 2 hours into it, and I found that it was filthy dirty inside, just about everywhere. So I cleaned it out. And I also found that in your main nozzle, which is supposed to be free flowing, you had a check valve installed. And that didn't help it. All right. So we got it squared away here. And I do believe you're going to find it's okay for now, but I strongly recommend a rebuild here in the near future. Okay. Now it's got inside. All right. Make sure the float is set correctly. There's no dripping. Go ahead and check some numbers here. Currently idling at about 640. Fuel pressure is about 3. Vacuum with that new throttle is 23. And there's my dwell at 42 and change. Pull it through a couple times here. One more time. Alright, sir. Again, I strongly recommend a full rebuild on this thing. Thank you.